Here's how I do my own glass eyes for my snakes. As you can see, here's one on the rattlesnake and the hognose. You can buy a mix pack on Amazon, but thing is, they're a mix pack, so you may not get what you want on here. Amazon carries these glass half domes, and these happen to be in 8mm. I printed this sheet of eyes with the inkjet printer that I designed in Photoshop. Here's a different color for the rattlesnake, and the hognose I made a different one with slightly larger pupils. I prefer to cut these into strips as it makes it easier to glue in the glass domes. I use Diamond Glaze. You can find it on Amazon. It seems to work really well for this project. I've tried applying this in dots and lines, and it just seems easier to run a line down the strip. Use your finger so it's nice and smooth. Also, the reason for the strip is once the glue's on there, it tends to dry quickly, so it's easier to just work in strips. On the top section, I use my finger to smooth the glue down, and the bottom I just left it as is. So you can kind of tell one's smooth, one's not, and it's easier to cut it once it's smoothed down because it doesn't get in the way. Now we got to cut these out. Just make sure you don't cut yourself. I have not found a better or faster way of doing this, so for now this is pretty much how I do it. Take your time, don't cut yourself. The backside doesn't look the best. You can see it's all jagged, but it actually looks pretty good. I prefer to use a hot glue gun as it makes it easier than using something like crazy glue. Just put a small dot and then just quickly go ahead and put your eye on the snake. Here's the finished product. That's what they look like on the rattlesnake and on the hognose.